In science, in art, in business, and other walks of life, we have what we call terminology. So in today's video, we'll be talking about poultry terminology. Please, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and continue to share our video. In this our channel, we talk about poultry farming, everything concerning poultry farming, including organic and synthetic. So in today's video, we'll be talking about poultry terminology. So what are poultry terminology? Poultry terminology are sets of terms or words or common language used in poultry farming. They are day-to-day language used in poultry farming. So as a poultry farmer, you need to be conversant with this poultry terminology. So in today's video, we'll be talking about 20 poultry terminology and their meaning. Remember, today's video is about poultry terminology 1. I will still offload another terminology because we have thousands and millions of terminology in poultry farming. So let's start. If you look at the first one there, we say what we call antibiotics. Antibiotics is a poultry terminology. Antibiotic is a drug used in fighting against bacteria in poultry farming. If you see the second one, we have Lasota. Lasota is a vaccine for Newcastle disease. The third one is coryza or coryza. It's a bacterial infection that affects the respiratory system of a bird. Looking down, we see what we call capon. Capon is a castrated male cock. The fifth one is debeaking. Debeaking is the process of cutting the beak of a bird, either a layer or a cockerel, in order to prevent breaking of egg or cannibalism. The number 6th one is DOC. It stands for DOC chicks. There are chicks hatched that day or one day old day or a young chick hatched that very day. The number 7 is Gomboro. Gomboro is caused by virus. Some of the signs of Gomboro is white watery poo, pale cum and hoarding. It's a disease caused by virus. The number 8 is Marek. It's equally caused by virus. It affects the chick very badly. It makes the chick to be paralyzed. Then if you see the number 9 is hash. Hash is a process whereby a chick comes out of an egg. Hatchery, which is the number 9, is a place where a baby chick is hatched and incubated. Then the number 11 is talking about flock. Flock is a group of birds staying together. Feces is a dropping from a bird and it can also be used for manure. If you see the number 13 there is dust baths. What is dust bath in poultry? Dust baths in poultry is the habit in which chickens splash soft soil around themselves in order to clean their feather and to clean other parasites from their body. The number 14 is cock. Cock is a mature male chick. The number 15 is cockerel. Cockerel is an immature male chick. It means that the chick is not mature. Moving to the number 16 is a chick. A chick is a baby bird, a small bird. That's what is called chick. The number 17 is aves. Aves is a class of animal that consists of birds. That's why it's called aves. The number 18 is disinfect. Sorry, I made a mistake. It is disinfectant. Disinfectant is a chemical used in killing virus, fungi, or bacteria in poultry farming. Then if you see look down there, you see what we call dropping. Dropping is another term for chicken manure or chicken poo. The last one, which is number 20, is duckling. Duckling is a baby duck or a young duck. So that is some of the poultry terminology. So continue to watch our video and hit the notification bell to get notified when we drop a new video. If you have any question, you can drop the question in a comment section. Don't forget to stay subscribed to our video. Thanks. See you in the next video.